Hello viewers, welcome to this edition of the news. I am Serena Wanswet and here are the headlines. Flood situation remains grim in Assam, over 26 lakh people affected in 28 districts of the state. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan introduces the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 in Lok Sabha. Supreme Court agrees to hear plea of 5 more Karnataka's rebel Congress MLAs tomorrow. And Minister for Health and Family Welfare A.L. Heck inaugurates the state-of-the-art 12-bedded intensive care unit at Shillong Civil Hospital. And now the news in detail. The flood situation in Assam remains grim as new areas have been inundated. Several rivers, including the Brahmaputra, are maintaining a rising trend. Surging water has badly affected vehicular movement in the state as floods have submerged several important roads. Around 90,000 hectares of cropland, fisheries, roads, bridges, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, educational institutes and residential areas have been damaged. Land erosion has also made the situation critical. Over 26 lakh people are reeling under floods in 28 districts. Barpeta, Morigao and Dhubri are among the worst hit. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan introduced the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha today. The bill had been passed by the last Lok Sabha but lapsed after the dissolution of the House. The bill proposes to regulate surrogacy in the country by establishing a national surrogacy board at the central level and state surrogacy boards and appropriate authorities in the state and union territories. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear tomorrow a plea of 5 more rebel Congress MLAs along with the pending petition of 10 legislators seeking a direction to the Karnataka Assembly Speaker to accept their resignations. A bench headed by Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi took note of the submission of Senior Advocate Mukul Rotagi, appearing for the rebel MLAs, that they be also made parties to the pending petition. 5 more rebel Congress MLAs moved the Apex Court on Saturday against the Speaker not accepting their resignations. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday released a book, Traditional Systems of Jaintia Community, Change and Continuity in Jawai. He released the book on the occasion of the annual Beding Club Festival, which he attended yesterday. Speaking at the meeting, Sangma informed that the Tribal Affairs Ministry has sanctioned Rs 42 crore for setting up of the Tribal Research Institute to study the cultural aspects of all the tribes of the state. He further said that the proposed institute will be set up in Garo Hills region. He also stated that the government would soon approach the ministry for setting up of tribal university to promote the interests of the indigenous communities of the state.
This opportunity to release the book that has been prepared, and I assure you that not only in visiting programs like these, our government is very keen to ensure that our culture is always preserved. We are doing many programs and we are taking up many different projects where cultural aspect of our people, whether it's the Garos, the Panars, the Khasis, Jaintias in general, we are ensuring that the cultural aspect is preserved. Many more projects will come up in the future. Even right now, as we speak, there is a tribal institute that we have proposed in Garo Hills, which was a very long dream of our late leader, late B.S. Samba, who wanted to have this research institute. So we have, and the place that he has selected for this research institute, which is Chilekri or Babadam in Garo Hills, we have Tribal Affairs Ministry that has come in and sanctioned 42 crores for this Tribal Research Institute, which will study the tribal aspects and cultures of all different tribes of the state.
Minister for Health and Family Welfare A.L. Hek today officially inaugurated the state-of-the-art 12-bedded intensive care unit ICU at Shillong Civil Hospital. The ICU, which is an upgradation of the existing 6-bedded facility, is well equipped with the latest technology for patients needing specialized care and interventions. This ICU has been sanctioned from the state plan under the SPA Special Plan Assistance at an amount of Rs 4.27 crore. Speaking on the occasion, Hek expressed confidence that the ICU facilities will ensure that quality services are made available for people at a very affordable cost. The minister further said that the government is committed to provide the best health care to the citizens in the state.
This morning to inaugurate the recently completed state-of-the-art 12-bedded ICU here in Shillong Civil Hospital, which is upgradations of the existing 6-bedded ICU. Due to the patient's load and the wants of ICU services of many patients, this was made functional on 28 March 2019 to cater to the needs of patients admitted in Shillong Civil Hospital.
With the rest of the world, the Labour Department Government of Meghalaya today observed the World Youth Skills Day at Sosotham Auditorium, Shillong, in which the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong was the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Tinsong congratulated the students who have completed their training in different sectors while encouraging them to aim high in their lives, urging the youths to train themselves in various sectors. He added that there are a lot of opportunities for the youths in today's era. The Deputy Chief Minister also distributed certificates to those trainees who completed their training.
To all of you who just received it a while ago, I said, this is your first step in your life to know yourself that, well, I'm being established. And this skill development is the opportunity, as rightly mentioned by one young boy. He said, I am here in this platform to request all of us to grab and to take up this golden opportunity. We need to take up this golden opportunity. And that also without spending a single time.
And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 19.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature recorded was 16.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity being 96% in the morning and 83% in the evening. Rainfall 24.4 millimeter. Forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy sky. Rain and thunder shower is likely to occur. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Flood situation remains grim in Assam, over 26 lakh people affected in 28 districts of the state. Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan introduces the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 in Lok Sabha. Supreme Court agrees to hear plea of 5 more Karnataka's Rebel Congress MLAs tomorrow. And Minister for Health and Family Welfare A.L. Hek inaugurates the state-of-the-art 12-bedded intensive care unit at Shillong Civil Hospital. That's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel, thank you and good night.